laptop before the taxes, because that's what they're really asking for. So we know that she paid an addition. Alright, so guys, let us look at this one now. So we are given a cube and the length of one side is 6 centimeters, and we are asked to find the volume we know that volume is three-dimensional, right? And in order to find the volume, we find in the area of the base and we times it by the height. So let us put in the dimensions. What will be the length of this right here? 6. Thank you, Michaela. What will be the length of the height? 6. Because with a cube, all sides are equal. So all of the sides are equal. So all of the sides will be equal to 6. And we know that it has 6 faces, right? And all 6 faces are also equal. The area of each is also equal. So let us find the area of the base. Could just put it in, it look official. What shape is the base? A square. So we know that the area of a square is what? Side times side. So that makes 6 times 6. So this is 36. What's the next step? Very good. We multiply 36 by 6. So we find the area of the base, which is 36. However, 36 centimeters here. However, we have to multiply it by the height, because for all three-dimensional, it's the area of the base times the height. So we multiply this by 6. Very good. Shanti. Somebody multiply that and tell me now. 36 times 6. Sure. Alright, let's do it away. So 36 times 6. 6 6. 36. 6 3s 18 plus 3. So it's 216 centimeters. Always double check guys, just in case you make an error. And notice it's cubic, because it's what? 3-dimensional. Very good. So area is 2-dimensional, so we have square, centimeter square. And the volume is 3-dimensional. So I want you guys to try this one. And tell me the answer right away. Up to the time. Up to the minute. This must be solid. The top must be solid. So this is 2 centimeters and this is 2 centimeters. And you're asked to find the volume. Alright, thanks so much. I appreciate it. Alright, and yeah man, on Monday we'll do that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Alright. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate it. Alright. So guys, I want you guys to do this one now. The dimension is 2 by 2. And you're going to find the volume. And we're going to discuss your answer, how you got it and so forth. Somebody says 8. Is that correct? Is it only 8 though, guys? Say it was 8. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Alright, Shini, you can join in now, like how you finish now. We're given a cube with side 2 centimeters, and we're asked to find the volume. Alright, let us clear this so everyone should have that by now. What you got, Michaela? 8. Is it only 8 though, guys? With maths, the unit is very important. 8 what? You can't just say you got 8. Still not finished. Cube. Guys, we must do that. If you don't put on the cube, you will lose 1 mark. So let us look at it. So we know that all sides are equal. That's the definition of a cube, right? So if this is 2, this is 2, then this will also be 2. The height will also be 2. We also know that in order to find the volume, we have to find the area of the base. That's the definition for volume. Area of the base times the height. Now, as you can see, what shape is the base? A square. Very good. So, in order to find area of a square, it would be side times side, because both of them are the same. We could say side square. It means side times side. Alright, so let us look at the side. So it's 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, which is what? Not just 4, guys. 4 centimeters square. Because area is 2-dimensional. So we have square here. But now we have to multiply it by the height. The height is also 2. So it says 2 centimeters. So therefore we get 8 centimeters cube. Guys, unless you put on the cube, it's incorrect. If you had 8 centimeters, it's incorrect. Because what you are suggesting that it is 1-dimensional. And that would be length. So 1D, that is length. When you find perimeter and so forth. 2D, that's area. And 3D is 3-dimensional. Space type. So guys, you must can able to differentiate between all 3. What they will do in CSEC is ask you to find the volume, and they give you as option 8 centimeters square. Sometimes they give you 8 centimeters, and then they have the real answer. So you have to know the difference between them. Alright, before we go, we're going to look at the cuboid. Next week we go more in depth with the cuboid. Somebody else will join. So, alright, let's introduce the cuboid before we go, and then what we know about a cuboid? Anybody? What we know about a cuboid? It has 6 sides, very good. So it's also 3-dimensional. What else? Opposite sides are equal. Right, let us draw. Remember when we were in class and Mr. Williams came? So this one should be dotted. Alright. Let us look keenly. It's like a what? 3-letter words. Begins with B and ends with X. Box. Very good, Shanti. Yeah, it's almost like a box, right? Or a cube. Yeah, it is 3D. So, what is the what will be the shape of the base? What will be the shape of the base? Thank you, Shanti. Rectangle. Jesus. Guys, you have to know this basic stuff. You know? So it's a rectangular shape. So guys, opposite sides are equal, meaning this side is equal to this side. The top is equal to the bottom, and then the front and the back. So we have 6 sides basically. And when we're doing total surface area, remember we discussed that, you know. So let us put some dimension in there. Next week we're gonna continue though. I'm gonna start the next class now. Let us say we were given, no, the tree look bigger than everything else, no sir. So then that don't look right. Make this be 3. Make it look realistic. Alright. So the length, what will be the length of the rectangle? 5, right? So we know it's length times width, so the length is 5. What is the width? 4, thank you. So that's 5 times 4 is 20 centimeters square. But what we have to do to find the volume? Multiply by what? The height. So it will be 20 centimeters square times the height, which is 3 centimeters. So that's 60 centimeter cube. Next week we're gonna look more in depth. I'm 5 minutes late for my next class, so I'm gonna end this and then can get to send the link to the students.